If you guys are watching my video for the first time, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hello friends, today we are going to see about a few future weapons of India you probably did not know about. India is being a global leader in development and one of the top 5 military powers in the world. India is constantly developing its new arms and improving on previous versions of its weaponry. At first, we are going to see about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. It is a super multi-role combat aircraft designed for the air superiority, ground attack, bombing, strike and other types of roles. It comes around with an 30 cannon. It is expected to have a top speed of 2.5 Mach and will be able to operate at an altitude of nearly 60,000 feet. A more similar to AMCA is FGFA. It is developed as a joint venture between Russia and India. It is being designed to compete with the F-22 Raptor and F-35. On the line, next we are going to see about Agni VI. So far, Indian government have developed till Agni V. Agni V has a range of 5,000 km. The previous versions of Agni has a range as follows. Agni 1 has a range of 700 to 900 km, Agni 2 about 2000 to 3500, Agni 3 of 3000 to 5000 km and Agni 4 of 3500 to 4000. In this series of Agni missiles, Indian government leaves a 5-year gap between each missile. To talk about Agni VI, it is an intercontinental ballistic missile under the development by the DRDO. It can carry a massive 3 to 10 warhead, which is twice the weight of the 110 warhead of the previous Agni missiles. It is capable of launching several nuclear warheads at the same time to different targets using multiple independently target re-entry vehicles. If any other vehicle tries to attack it, it can dodge and escape from the attack. It is probably to have a strike range of 8,000 to 12,000 km. The next in our list is INS Arindaman class submarine. INS Arindaman is the second Arihant submarine. It is the second nuclear power ballistic missile submarine being built by India. It has 8 launch tubes instead of 4, which gives it double firepower of Arihant. In the same way, it is capable of having more amount of massive missiles like 24K-15 Sagarika short-range SLBMS or 8K-4 long-range SLBMS. The sister ship of Arindaman will be similar to the lead ship Arindaman. These 3 Arindaman ballistic missile class submarines will fleet the Indian Navy very soon. Up next, we are going to see about BrahMos 2. Its official announcement was made in the year of 2008. BrahMos 1 was based on supersonic, which has a capability of traveling at a speed more than the light. This BrahMos 2 is a hypersonic missile which is currently under the joint venture by Russia and India. It has a speed of Mach 7 and has an operational range of 180 miles. It has the ability to be fired from ships, aircrafts and submarines. BrahMos 2 will confer on India a major strategic advantage in the mountain warfare against China. This missile is designed to select the targets which are hidden behind the mountain range. This hypersonic weapon has immense destructive power which will result from the kinetic energy. The next weapon which we are going to see is Agni VI. It is currently under the development and it is expected to be completed in 2025. It will be nuclear powered and nearly 50% larger than INS Vikramaditya. It will be able to accommodate up to 55 aircraft. At last, we are going to see about Apache attack helicopter. Indian Air Force has got 4 on 22 Apache attack helicopter from US Aerospace Major. The first delivery of the batch had AH-64E Apache helicopter to the IAF at the Indian Air Base. The AH-64E Apache is one of the world's most advanced multi-role combat helicopter. It is the only available combat helicopter with a spectrum of capabilities for virtually any mission requirement.